Chesapeake Bay, North Island, Maryland.
River to Queenstown, Maryland. Charleston River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the southwest of Chesapeake Beach, moving east at 20 knots.
Buoy. Impact. Boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Camp Narrows Bridge,
River, Rock Hall, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Dobbins Island, Blacklenet Point, Cools Island, Herring Bay, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Calvert Cliff, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, and Pinehurst. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the regional weather forecast.